Problem number 5 we are going to see now. The same model that of 4, but some more ideas are given in problem number 5. Profit earned in 16, 17, 18. Profit in 16, 25,000. 17, 23,000. 18, 26,000. 18, 26,000. Less non-recurring income, as we did in the last problem. Less non-recurring income. Less non-recurring income for the year 2016, 2,500. For 17, 18, nothing. So we can find the final figure after 16. This is less minus 22,500. 25 minus 2,500. Here nothing is minus. Here also nothing is minus. Right. Then the point number 2 we have attended. Point number 3. Profit of 2017 is reduced by rupees 3,500 due to stock destroyed by fire and stock destroyed by fire. Stock destroyed by fire. What is the amount that stock destroyed by fire is 3,500 for the year 2017. This is 3,500 for the year 17, but for 18 and 16 nothing. So after 17 we can find the total 22,500 and here 19,500 because this must be minus. Here this is 26,000. 26,000. And there is a third condition given. The stock was not insured. After seeing the fire, what they have decided, the insurance premium is estimated to be 250 per annum. Every year, per annum means every year rupees 250 must be paid as insurance premium. So it will reduce the profit, therefore less insurance premium paid. Insurance premium. Insurance premium to be paid. To be paid. The value of insurance premium is 250. 250 in each per annum, therefore in each year you should minus 250. This is also 250. Therefore, what should be the final picture? 25,750. Here 19,250. Here 22,250. 22,250, 19,250 and 25,250. So for each year, the insurance premium is minus. Now, what is the average profit? This is adjusted profit. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. What is the total profit? 22,250 plus 19,250 plus 25,750 whole divided by, this is 3 years. Number of years is 3 years. Therefore, by 3. Once again, I shall read it out. Once again, I shall read it out. Listen carefully. In problem number 5, the profit earned 2016, 25,000 and 17, 23,000 and in 18, 26,000. Profit of 2016 includes a non-recurring income of rupees 2,500 for the year 2016. You should bear it in mind that this is very important. 2,500. And profit of 2017 is reduced by 3,500 due to stock destroyed by fire. Stock destroyed by fire, 3,500 in the year 3,500. And here you should listen very carefully. What is there? Add 23,000 and the stock of fire 3,500, and it should be added and written as 26,500, not 19,500, because it is add, not less. The first point we go minus, the second point we must add and write 23,000 plus 3,500. This is as it is. Now, once again you come here. Insurance premium is to be paid and therefore it will reduce the profit, therefore less 250. Here also 250. So 26,250. And here also it should be minus then 25,750. So for the 3 years, 22,250, 26,250, and the third one 25,750. Now we can add and find the average profits. We can add it 1,250, 23, 49, 54, 74. 74,250 divided by 3, which is equal to 24, 22, 7 threes are 21, remainder 1, 5, 5 threes are 15, so 24,750. This 24,750 should be multiplied by number of years of purchase. It is given at the bottom of the problem 2 years purchase. Therefore, 24,750, that average profit into number of years of purchase is to, you multiply now 49,500. This is the amount of goodwill. What we have learned from this lesson or from this model? The first model, average profit, simple average profit method is over, and weighted average profit method, we shall see it in the next class. But before that, you should remember, when there are 3 years given, what you must do? If it is non-recurring income, less. If it is stock destroyed by fire, less. If it is insurance premium to be paid, less. But stock destroyed by fire should be added, because this is the actual stock. Because of fire only it was destroyed. Therefore, to find the actual stock, we should add that what this thing we have done already. So it should be added to and returned. And find the adjusted profit finally. Those 3 adjusted profits are added together to find the average profit. Then goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. That average profit 24,750 into 2. Therefore, if you multiply it, 49,500. This is of this problem. Then what about the fourth problem? In fourth problem, overvaluation of closing stock of 1 year will be the overvaluation of opening stock in the next year. But you should remember, both should be minus. See, you can see in fourth problem, overvaluation of 1 year will be, in the closing stock will be the overvaluation of opening stock in the next year. It should be added. Overvaluation in the closing stock will be minus, whereas the overvaluation of opening stock must be added to, you must remember. It is very important. With that we finish today. We shall pass on to the other problems tomorrow.